Little Miss Gracie. Hi, today I'm going to read this book. This time it calls Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Achoo, achoo, achoo. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Gerald!
What do you want to do today? I want yes. A what? A ball? A swim? A hat?
Choo! Are you okay?
I do not know.
Choo!
I cannot stop
Choo!
sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze?
Choo!
What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak.
Nothing. Catch for the name.
It is too late. Goodbye. Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat.
That's what we have in school.
Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Huh?
Choo.
Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy.
Great news.
I have a cold.
Good for you.
The
And that's funny. Pigs make me sneeze. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.